Here we can connect to a database using JDBC. So we do SQL connect. Here we go, and now I have prepared a table in advance. Nice, and we can assign that to a result variable called result, and now we can type result.c to extract the value from all the values from a given column. This is a functionality that works with any table that has column labels, and the result from an SQL query has column labels, so it integrates quite nicely. So let's add something to this table. So new data, and we say 3 rows by 3 columns, and we say 300 test string, and the next one should be 330 another test string. Okay, now we want to append that, so we need to prepare a statement. So we do a p SQL prepare, and what we want to do, c SQL prepare, and the statement is let's see, insert into foo abc values, like this. This creates a prepared statement. So now we can update that as a single transaction using p SQL update prepared and new data. Sorry, key already exists. Oh, sorry, I accidentally repeated. I forgot that I needed 3 rows, of course, so we did 340 more. There. As we can see, the insertion failed because I inserted a duplicate row here. Now, what we can see here that if we select, it did not insert anything because it was all done in a single transaction. So now that this has been updated, we can now do this. We get a result saying 3 rows were updated, and we can now do a query again, and we see it's been updated. Close P, close C. Now we have another little interesting feature that allows us to do SQL against CAP itself. So let's create another table. Let's call that foo, and we can say it's a 3 by 3. Actually, we can use new data. We can use that table, and we can assign some columns to it. So we can say foo bar test labels, and we assign that to XYZ. Now we can do cm connect local, and this gives us a database connection that talks to the CAP runtime itself. So I can go to SQL query, select star from CAP dot, and the format is the namespace name, which is default in this case, and the name of the variable, which is, what do we name, XYZ. And here we get the result back. So, and now we can actually do queries on it. So we can say, for example, order by foo descending, and and where bar is greater than 350. Sorry, let's say 335. We get this. Okay. And of course we can do things like aggregates, select sum bar, and yeah. So currently there is no support for updating tables in that is with data stored in variables, but that will come eventually. But this last part where you can talk to a database, cap tables as they were database tables, is currently a work in progress. So it's not something that I would recommend anyone trying now. But it's coming along quite nicely. Thank you very much for the attention.